sponsorship. So not pay. But,
Oh yeah, that was the
yeah. But right now, no. But like, no one's ever like they don't really care. No one's ever actually checked. What's up? No one's ever actually like checked to see if you're non-ME or not. Yeah. But so if you were non-ME and you knew what you were doing, like, and you had the certification, you'd probably get away with it. But
and then you get busted.
I mean, if you just act stupid and you walk in and do it.
Like, yeah, like if you like
stupid, that's not the best way.
Like, how would they know?
No, like, act like you don't know.
They don't. That's the point. Is that they don't.
Okay.
As long as if you have the certification, the big thing I think that what they really care about is certification.
Yeah,
but,
I have the thing. I'm good.
Yeah, so like.
Try it once if you get caught. Sorry.
Yeah, really, right?
Yeah.
Body, knee, right? That's it. Yeah. Is D? No, D's in aerospace.
I think we're really divided.
Yeah, that's it, right? Okay. Yeah. So we'll do that. So sorry, guys. Let's talk about on the subject of our turbo shaft. Let's talk about our gearbox. Mr. Jesse.
So I have all the gears picked out. 2 of them need to be on the same shaft, but one of their the maximum bore for one of them is 0.93 inches, and the minimum bore of the other one is 1 inch.
I was just trying to see if you can get
Pretty damn close.
really close.
But I was also going to ask you.
What's the gear made of? You know, it's just
Steel.
Steel. So what you could do, they have so that ME shop. What we could do, the ME shop has a drill press. So we don't have to put it in the mill and like squeeze it in, but we could just like hold it down and then like force like the 0.93 to be 1 inch, if absolutely necessary.
Yeah. Do you think?
As long as it doesn't break.
Yeah.
I think it'll be fine because I mean
It's not much bigger.
it's not much bigger, so it's only like
It depends if the gear is like one of those shitty bike gears that's like.
Well, I'm saying that's why I use the drill press. So like someone literally just holds it and then you just punch it.
Where are we getting
Yeah,
the
what I'm
rods?
saying if it's one of
That's
those.
what my next.
Yeah, we could just make the rod smaller on one end and on the other end.
Yeah.
Oh, no, no,
So
you're
if
talking
that
about
were the case,
internal
we
gear?
just have 2 different size bearings.
Yeah.
Like,
Got the gearbox. Are still on the subject of turbo. Keisha, you took over the turbo experiment, right?
Yeah.
So what you got, dude?
So I mean, I'll be honest with you. Spring break, I probably didn't do much. I didn't do shit.
Yeah.
But I talked to Jesse before break, and he gave me like most of the equations for thermo, for like all the stuff that we need to do. And I mean, I haven't taken thermodynamics yet, so I'm still gonna talk to him over the next week and try and get everything done. But I have a basic idea of what I want to do. Like, I want to get something to measure pressure and temperature. I'll put it through the compressed air so that we can get pressure ratios and then link it to RPM and see what's probably the most efficient RPM for our turbo. Either we test different RPMs, or we look and if we test different, we induce different RPMs into the turbo and then see the pressure outputs and see the ratios and see how that matches up with the graph.
Yeah.
are you planning on inducing different RPMs with
Maybe a
gears?
Probably a motor if that's possible. No.
Not the motor we have.
You got like a giant motor?
No, it goes 1 speed.
Okay. Then
Well, actually, it goes 3 speeds. It goes 3 speeds.
Is there any way we can control
No.
that?
Not on that one. That one's supposed to go.
That's a
Yeah.
That's the AC.
It's the AC shit one.
yeah.
From the ME shop that they threw away.
I thought you could do that with the AC, but you can't do it with the DC.
No, you gotta have like all the crazy inverter control
With the AC?
for the AC. You gotta have like crazy.
I thought that was just going from DC to AC.
No, no. Yeah, you gotta have like control circuitry to vary it, and that only works with like 3-phase. It's 1 phase, so it only goes.
Oh, yeah, that's why it's
yeah,
one
it's 1 phase AC, so it only goes continuous due to load.
Okay.